Hi guys. So I wanted to show you something and how I'll use things out on the trail. We've got Liberty, our little fun trail riding partner, and you can see there's some blowdowns and some limbs and stuff laying on the ground. And we're working on Liberty. She's a little bit excited and ready to go somewhere today. So I'm gonna, whether I was using a neck rope and not riding with a bridle, or whether we were, riding with a regular rein. This is how I like to use this stuff. Right? There's all these sticks, and I'm not going to micromanage where she puts her feet. I'm going to actually let her, if she decided to be lazy, trip on these. And some people go, well, that's just mean. Well, nobody taught us how to go up the stairs. You kind of had to learn that. You trip on the stairs a couple times, you learn, don't be lazy, pay attention where your feet are going. And it's no different here. So I'll incorporate other things too, like trees, right? And give that horse something to steer around. She didn't really listen to that right rein too much, so I bumped her with my left leg, saying, come on, move over. Okay, so I'll come back through here again, let her crash and bump on those trees. Right, and now we'll come back through over here. I'm actually gonna have her thread the needle a little bit, right? And it helps these horses learn to get lots of turns in and puts a purpose to it if they're actually steering around something versus just going round and round and round and back and forth and left and right in the arena. So I wanted to just show you guys this. Here's a little bit more brush. I asked her to make a quick right turn here and step around. So at any point in time now, she starts to get going a little bit fast and not regulate her own speed based on my energy level. If she goes faster than my energy level, in other words, if there's a fast walk, she goes faster than that, which she isn't, but I'm still just going to work on my turning here. She kind of got sloppy on that right turn. Get over it. Get over it. Move off my rein. Thread the needle between these two saplings. Quick. So I'll ask her to pay attention to her feet. Pay attention to her feet. She might got really going fast there, spooked herself a little when we knocked into a sapling. So ask her to keep working, keep turning. Thought I'd show you guys that. Ride the next stride and make it a great day.